Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going over 10 simple Linux commands that every user should know. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, these commands will help you get around the terminal like a professional. Stick around to the end to boost your Linux skills. Let's get started. First up, we have whoami. This one is as simple as it sounds. It literally tells you who you are. It shows your username, which is useful when you need to double check which user is currently logged in, especially if you're hopping between user accounts. The next one, uname-r, shows you the kernel version of your Linux system. If you need to check which version of Linux you're running, this is the command to use. Think of it as your Linux system's version number, or as I like to call it, Linux ID card. Now, we have man. The man command is short for manual. If you ever forget how a command works or what options it has, just use man followed by the command name. It brings up the manual page, which is like the instruction booklet that most of us ignore until we need it. Because let's face it, even Linux users need to read the manual sometimes. Next is clear. It is the equivalent of sweeping the floor after you've made a mess in the terminal. If your screen gets too cluttered with commands, just type clear and start fresh. When you're done with your terminal session, exit gracefully closes the window or logs you out of a session. It is the polite way to say goodbye to your terminal. Unlike social situations, Linux doesn't get offended when you leave without saying goodbye. Next, uptime. The uptime command tells you how long your system has been running, along with the current time. This can be useful if you want to see how long it's been since you rebooted or how busy your system has been. Check this to see if your computer has been working harder than you. I think it probably has. Next up, date. The date command gives you the current date and time in more detailed format. Great if you want to know how late you are. Next, cal. The cal command displays a simple calendar of the current month. Oops, I don't have the package. Let's install it. Type Y and press enter. Maybe the internet is so bad. Let's try again. Successful. Wow, look at this pretty calendar. Super handy when you're pretending to be productive, but actually planning your next weekend. Let's look at wc-l, which counts the number of lines in a file. If you're curious about how long a file is, or you need to analyze text data, this command will give you the answer quickly. Finally, we have head. This command lets you view the first 10 lines of a file. It's useful when you don't want to open the entire file, just the start of it. Okay, these 10 simple commands are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to Linux, but mastering them will definitely make your terminal life easier. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Linux tips. If you have any question or suggestion, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.